Did the day symbol not change? No, I think it didn't. I just wasn't paying attention. But we'll find out when I inevitably explode. My stick? Whew, I almost forgot. My very important stick. Do you want, is that up? Or is that? No! 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 Oh, I understand. This whole place connects now. It took my stick. Which I personally... Can you, like... Heck off, dude. I will throw this at you. Get away from me. Oh, I'm so sad. Can you... I will throw my rock at you. Come here. Okay, it's giving me a... God, I'm gonna eat you. Come here. I just don't think I'm able to progress through there, even though it wants me to, question mark? I don't know what it wants me to do. So I'm gonna go be braggart. I'm gonna go off and explore the world. Grab you for my troubles. Eat, eat, eat. Because I have to be full if I go back to sleep. I have my rock. I don't know what that does for me. Sandbox I've unlocked. Berry. Oh, okay, I can only have one stick in my hand. Fine. Well, knowledge. New arenas unlocked. Okay. That's something from the menu. So I need to attack it from the other side to get whatever I need to do over there. Fine. Well, I'm not gonna get there because I'm stupid. That's not true. I'm a very smart boy. In 2024, we're gonna end depreciative. You all know the words I'm trying to say. We're gonna end mean self comments. We're gonna be very nice to ourselves because we're all very cool. And when we're nice to ourselves, oh, but where do I need to go? I'm off on a journey. Can I climb through here? I can. That gets me nowhere, but I can do that. I have that power. Okay. Fine. I would like to stop doing that. Fine, I'll take the less cool way. I shouldn't say the less cool way. I'll take the very nice way that the devs gave me, because they understood that I am bad at games. I just want to prove to myself I did it. And immediately we go back. I needed to stay humble. But no, I didn't. And now I'm going this way. I would like to know what those blue paintings are. I think, to me, they're creatures. They're other creaturey little boys. So I can't go there. think I have to start making my way back to Big Sleepy. Ha! You're not back yet, pole creature. You can't scare me. You can't kill me. I'm a bad boy. Oh, the little faint flickerings are hymns sometimes? That's so exciting. Okay, map. Where am I going? I'm a big map looker. I look at maps a lot. Do I attempt to go over there? There's some big, long, windy connection there. There I am. There's a little sleeping hut. The closest hut? Question mark? Wow, this is just really not a great map visually for me. I really struggle with this map. I've lost my stick. Maybe he's gone to a greater cause. Well, that was almost really cool. Really not super grandiose. I think what we're gonna do, because I've had to waste a lot of time. Oh, that was a rock that I wanted. I've had to waste a lot of time staring at maps, figuring out where I want to go. Slugging it around. Oh god, I really miss my stick. Why did that one creature disappear, but not the other? And also just, you know, chit-chatting, having conversations with people who keep coming into the gamer zone, which is fine. They're important conversations to have. No, I don't think. The hut? I'm gonna go down this way for a hut. Oh yes, I remember now. Is it this way? It's this way. I should have just gone to the hut that I knew existed. Oh, it's fine. We found this hut. Whoa. Is that like the ghost of me? Can I eat you? No. I forgot to eat him, so I'm just holding on to a guy in my sleep. A dream. Do any of my days match this new symbol that I'm about to enter? Is it? I just really wish I could cycle through the spaces, but it's fine that I can't. Oh, I have to travel so far, but it's okay. I can do it. I can be big and brave. It is possible to hibernate with less than sufficient food. That's cool. However, the game will not be saved. Well, I don't like that. That's not... There are also other significant drawbacks. In a shelter, hold down for several seconds to force hibernate. eyes keep watering. I must be having allergies. There's no way I'm just living like this. Living like Larry, if you will. Yes, I'm aware there's bugs that way, but I need to hop, skip, and a jump up to that faraway place. I need to hold. I don't. Who do I think I am? Who am I trying to be? You know? Not being a humble boy. Oh, look at me go. I'm really. Can I just take a moment and be not humble? I need to throw that. It's fine. I'll get more food. But just, I really struggle with platformers. They're hard for me. And I feel really good about my ability to platform in this. I don't know what that little icon means with my little face. Oh, my grandfather clock. She chimed. Okay, leave me alone. Sticky return to me. Okay. How did I get to you? How did I get to you? Oh, I had to go over and under this way. I remember now. No, creatures, I don't like you. I don't like that it gives the little funky fresh beat. I don't like any of it. I'm gonna grab you. Am I going up? Do I need to go up? Okay, so you're afraid of me, which is good to know. Hup, hup, hup. Did I go the correct way? Am I here? Eee, did I do the thing? I did it. Oh no. Oh no. Don't cook me. Please. Please don't cook me. Okay, ready? Not get cooked. Please, I would like to go find a little house. That's very cool. And then until that symbol pops back up, I'm not going to be able to go there. Industrial complex, okay. How do I get there? Well, it's good to know that those won't kill me. Are we climbing? Can I just climb straight up? I can climb straight up. No. Go away, eyeball, I'm climbing. I don't have enough food. I can't hibernate. Oh, especially because I want to save so I can go to bed. Because I'm a sleepy boy. this isn't fair. Okay. Oh, mad. Because the platforming game is requiring me to platform and I don't like it. I understand. Leave me alone. I know, you want me to climb. No. Hold. Jump. Ha. For once, I will trust you. I was gonna scream. That was a pull. Pull boy. No. There are no bugs here. Can I eat you? It didn't fill me, but I know that does something. Bugs! Bugs, can you come here? Can you come here, bugs? Please. I'm a hungry little boy. Come here. How much is left of the day? Okay, just for the sake of seeing if I can find another bug. I'm taunted by this game. Where is this going? Okay, I got an extra bug, so we'll go back. We'll go back to my little hut. Wait, is there a little hut up there? It's just taking me. I'm being so arrogant. Thinking I'm gonna eat you. Because I feel it's important to eat those plants. Let me up. Yay! Okay, I feel so comfortable stopping here because I finally made it to a new area. I explored the other area a lot. Oh, but am I about to enter the day where I can unlock the other area? Okay, maybe we have to be a little unhumble and run it back. Oh God, but can I do that? Am I fast enough? We're gonna see. We're gonna see.